Hi, welcome to Samsung Sales and Services Provider. We are Samsung authorized dealers. We are located in Mombasa City Mall. You can also find us in town along Digo Road next to A1 Supermarket. Visit us today for that new Samsung product you've always needed. From fridges, washing machine, microwave, TVs, to phones and accessories. Well, we know sometimes it can be hectic for you to bring that broken Samsung appliance. Worry no more, we got you covered. We have qualified Samsung technicians who specialize in diagnostic and repairs for television, mobile phone, tablets, microwave, washing machines, and fridges. Not to forget, we do home services like washing machine, air conditioner, dishwashers, and other bulky appliances. For more information, contact or visit us at our nearest branch.